Hello दोस्तों, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Direction 360. In this video lecture, we are discussing about sentence completion test, their purpose and important tips and tricks. In ISSB, sentence completion test is the first test of intelligence test. In ISSB sentence completion test, two sheets are provided for English and two sheets are provided for Urdu sentence completion. Each sheet contains 26 sentences and 4 minutes are provided to complete these sentences. Let us discuss about the purpose of sentence completion test. By seeing your sentence completion test, the psychologist judge your level of thinking, your mental stability, your character, your mind, your qualities. Some important tips and tricks of sentence completion test are following. Relate sentence completion test with good habits. Relate with education. Relate with army. Relate with patriotism. Relate with activity. Also link sentence completion test with yourself and link it with your good habits. Thank you.